Hey guys, in today's video I just wanted to show you guys a little bit about what TT had to offer at Computex and what you can expect to be coming out in the near future. I hope you all enjoy. Now you guys have seen the mod video and you guys know I love my water cooling, so TT actually had some of their water cooling components on display for us to see. They actually have new fittings, some of them actually in gold now and also in bronze and a sort of browny color. The good thing about these is they are their C Pro line of fittings, and then they also have some in their 90-degree angle adapters. Now I didn't see extension fittings and everything in this color, so we'll have to wait and see if that does come out in all different types of fittings, but I am glad that the 90s and the compression fittings have those colors. We next visited their new range of liquid. Now these liquids, instead of being pastel made from powder, these are actually oil-based, so they should stick together a lot more and not break apart. So I'm very excited for these range of liquids. Now onto their water RAM. This is their water RAM. You've seen them in a couple of my builds, and they also have the toughram RGB all the way up to 3600 megahertz. This is their new line of RGB RAM, and you can see that they have the TT logo implemented into the design on the side. Really nice touch from TT. This is their new RGB Gaming Desk. This is a sit-stand desk. You can raise it to your desired needs, or you can lower it if you would like to sit down. And here is a test demo for you guys. As you can see, it can go a lot higher than what we just bought it to, but we just wanted to keep this shot in screen. It does have a full built-in mouse pad as well, so you can customize that. We have new gaming chairs from TT. These will come out in different colors. This is just a demo on display at Computex at the Thermaltake booth. You can see a nice bigger lumbar support, much better than the previous lumbar supports that they did offer. Now here is just one of the cases that they did have on display. We just wanted to film it because it had some RGB. They were actually showcasing some games at the TT booth as well. Here's a couple of the computers. This is one of the A500 variants. You guys know I love that case. I did a build in that. They also have their liquid cooling sets with the new liquid from Thermaltake inside as well, so you can get all of that as a single kit. Now guys, there was much more at the Thermaltake booth on offer. They had power supplies and different things like that, new cases, and of course the case mods. Now if you guys didn't see the case mods, you can find that card up the top here. Just click that and you'll be able to see the case mods that were on display at the Thermaltake booth. Thanks so much for watching, subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one.